After setting up your agent persona, the next step is customizing the widget settings. This is where you style the chatbot to match your store's branding. You'll start by picking an accent color. This color will show up in buttons, highlights, and other parts of the chat widget, so make sure it reflects your brand. You can enter a hex code or use the color picker to get the exact shade you want. Next, select a font family. Choose something that matches your store's vibe, whether that's sleek and modern or classic and elegant. The font you pick here will apply to all the text your chatbot displays. Then, you'll set the header bar theme. This controls the look of the widget's top bar. You've got 3 options: light, dark, and accent. Preview each one to see what looks best. Then, go ahead and click Next when you're happy with the styling. Once your widget is styled, the next step is agent training. This is where you teach your AI assistant how to handle real customer questions. At the top, you'll see a few different training options. Auto-scraping websites. This lets your bot pull information directly from your website automatically. Shopify integration. This is a key one if your product info lives inside your Shopify store. It allows the AI to pull data like product names, prices, descriptions, and more. CSV and document. Upload. If you've got an FAQ sheet, support doc, or help center already written out, you can upload it directly here. Now, below that, you'll see a section called Try It Out. This is where you can manually test how the AI will respond. In the question sample field, type a typical customer query, something like, "Do you offer international shipping?" Then in the answer sample, type the response you'd want the bot to give. Once you've filled everything in, click Preview, and you'll see a message saying AI agent retrained successfully. This means your updates have been saved, and the agent is now working with the latest information you provided. Once you're happy with the AI responses and have tested a few sample questions, go ahead and click Next at the bottom of the page. On the next screen, just click Next again. This will take you to the plan selection page. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a subscription plan based on your needs. If you're just starting out or running a smaller store, the intern plan is a great place to begin. It gives you 100 monthly conversations and 0.10 GB of training data, enough to test the AI, interact with customers, and see how it fits into your workflow. As you grow, you can always upgrade to a higher plan like Associate or Principal, which unlock more conversations, more training data, and expanded support for scaling brands. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be redirected to your Shopify dashboard. Here, simply add your PayPal or credit card details, then click Approve to confirm the plan. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial and no payment is required up front. After that, your AI chatbot will be fully activated and ready for the next step.